Don't, because the wall is falling, you join them to fall. The wall is looking for lifters and not co-fallers. If in your effort to move forward, you find yourself on the ground, rise up, shake up the dust, start afresh. If God make you fall, he will make you rise. God never leaves anyone where he met them. Every time he saw the lame, rise and walk. The blind, I say unto thee, see. The leper, be cleansed. The dead, be raised. Jesus has not changed. Somebody say hallelujah. Hallelujah. The marriage was going on, and suddenly the mother said, no wine, no wine, what do we do? Jesus said, don't trouble me. This woman turned and said to them, I've told him,